Do you want to learn how to use the Dream Lab inside Canva? This is an AI image generator that they have just released recently, but this they already had before as well. So we'll just click on this and it gives us this Dream Lab, and it says that you have 500 credits left. If you upgrade your plan to the Pro plan, you're going to get 500 credits. And down here, you can describe the image in few words. I'm just going to say a cute hamster on a wheel. And if you click the smart button, these are all the styles. So you can create the image in these styles: ray traced, pop art, vector, 3D, and such. So I'm just going to click on ray traced and make it 16:9. You can change the aspect ratio from here and just click on create. And there you go. These are all the images that are created by the Dream Lab in Canva. Out of these, I think this one looks the best. Yep, this looks the best. And then you can use this in a design, or you can download it from here. Delete this generation, report, and such. And then you can just create a new one. Each generation takes in 1 credit from here. And this is it. This is how you can use the Canva's new Dream Lab feature, which is an AI image generator. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.